How to buy farthouse token. So as you can see, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, they have 967 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It created 9 hours ago, and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 2 in the Solana section. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, click here to copy the token address and open your front money button. As you can see, after that, click here on swap. Now make sure to save this Solana token, and after that, click here and paste that in the search bar. As you can see, this also can click on it, and now click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, like that, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, scroll down, and you will be able to see here swap. Click on it, and now you will be able to redirect it to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy farthouse token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.